crispy adobo wings. Oh, this is gonna be good. It's my favorite. Let's try. Oh yeah, that's crunchy right there. Let's go. All right, we start with about 7-piece wings, some flour, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and of course vinegar. We start with the wings. We pat it dry with shop towel or paper towel. This way, it retains all the flavors and it'll cook really well and be crispy on the outside and of course well cooked on the inside. We pat it dry. Now it's here the batter, like about 2 cups. We start with this and put a bit of water, like 1 cup. Okay, now we continue. So it ends up with about 2 to 3 cups of flour and 1 cup of water. Okay, now here. Okay, now we prepare the pot for frying. We warm up the oil, so it's pretty good. All right. Now let's go back to the chicken. All right, here. This is the dry rub on the left. Okay, now we dip the wings on the batter and then on the dry rub. Okay, we go continue. And of course that'll get boring, so now we go with the oil is all heated up. Alright, now it's ready. We put 2 wings at a time. You can use a bigger pot and you'll use more oil, so we just use the small deep fryer. This way, we conserve some oil. We fry it 2 by 2. Okay, oh, it's gonna be really good now. We turn it. We fry this about, let's say, maybe 8 to 10 minutes each batch. This way it gets crispy and of course well cooked on the inside and still remain juicy. This is about ready. I put it on a plate with a paper towel so it soaks up all the excess oil. This way it's a little bit more healthy than usual. There you go. Here, look. Oh, it's looking really good. And now here, all 7 is done. Yes, you can see that's crispy right there. Okay, now let's make the adobo sauce. Here we get a frying pan. We just a little bit, maybe a spoon or half a spoon of oil, just to make sure it's lubricated. Heat it up. Yes, very well there. And then about a clove of crushed garlic. Yes. Once it's getting brown, almost gold, we mix it up a bit. Oh, it's smelling really good now. Yes. All right, now we put a spoon of oyster sauce, or in this case, 1 sachet. There. Okay. Now we add about 1 or 2 spoons of soy sauce, just to create more sauce with the adobo sauce. And of course, important, half a spoon of vinegar. We're using Silver Swan vinegar. Half a spoon, so not too much because it's gonna be sour. There. Okay, now cut a spoon of brown sugar. We cook it all together. This way it has a bit of sweet kind of taste on the adobo, so that's gonna be good. Because if you don't put sugar, it'll be a little too salty. So you check on that on how you feel it, but maybe half a spoon or a spoon of sugar. And now here's a cup of water, but we tried to dissolve chicken stock. So it's either a half a cup of water or half a cup of chicken stock. Let it boil some and then mix it well. Oh, it's starting to smell good, like adobo. Yes. Okay, that's all ready. Put the crushed black pepper, just to season it well. No need for salt because soy sauce is already salty. Alright, now it's all ready. We'll let that cool a bit. Alright, now here we put the chicken wings. Alright, so it's so crispy. You can hear it. Alright, Now we pour the sauce over it so that we can toss it. Yes, yes. Now it's starting to look really, really good. All right, now we toss it. Careful. I'm a little bit careful here because I don't want to toss it out. Just a little bit more. Yeah, we keep tossing it so I get it, mix it more. This way it looks really good, and the adobo sauce will be coating the wings really well. Here it is. Oh yeah, look at that. That's really good. Awesome. Now here on the table, we served it. Let me take a bite. I gotta take a bite. Oh, to hear that? That's crispy. So you can click here for another recipe, and of course, subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you around. All right, let's go. Let's go.